I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to tint your app icons to a color that matches your wallpaper on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Step 1 on your home screen is to tap and hold onto your wallpaper and enter the wallpaper edit mode. Then click on Edit on the top right and then select Customize. Within these options, you can select light, dark, automatic, or tinted, and these are the color changing modes for your app icons. Once you've selected the tinted option, you can use the color slider to change the color of your app icons, and you can use the bottom slider to change the saturation of that color. The other option is to select a color from your wallpaper using the eyedropper tool. On the right above the tinted icon, select the eyedropper. Then you can click and drag this particular circle to select any particular color that you want to take. I'm going to select this purple color right here. Now the color doesn't seem to be quite exactly what I selected, but it's pretty close. And then you can drag the slider or the kind of exposure of that color slider down here to change and make it try to match a little bit better. Once you're done and set on that color, you can tap back on the home screen and then you are all set with your tinted icons.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.